Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Facebook business page to your Instagram business page. Now, I made separate videos in the past showing you how to create each of those. Now we're going to look at how to connect them. Now, this is a fairly straightforward task. It really shouldn't take that long, so this will be a fairly brief video. But essentially, this is a way for you to streamline your work. Now, you can either, if you're on Instagram, you can share your posts from Instagram to Facebook and really make it quicker. You don't have to type up 2 posts every day or whenever you post. And then secondly, the other important reason to do this is so that when you go into your Facebook business page and you're managing it there, you can actually manage your Instagram page as well. And so by that, I mean, you can easily look at some analytics for it. You can go and manage your notifications, your messages, and a lot of stuff like that. So as you can see, it really saves you a lot of work, a lot of effort, and a lot of time. And so it makes sense that you might want to be doing this. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in and look at the first way you can do this. Now, I'll show you both ways to connect it. The first way is from the Instagram app. So open up the Instagram app. I just made a brand new Instagram business page here, and I just, Schmeich O'Brien, that's what I'm calling it, just some random page name. Then we go over to the 3 bars on the right side, and from here, you can actually go down to settings. Now within settings, go to business, and then you have a couple options here. So we are going to go to connect or create, and this is how we're connecting or creating a new business page. And assuming that you already have a Facebook business page, what you want to do is connect an existing page. If you don't, make one here, but I really recommend the best way to make a Facebook business page is not through the Instagram app. Really, the best way to do it is through the web browser. So go to Google Chrome, set that up, check out my other video where I show you how to make a proper Facebook business page. But once you have that and it's connected to your personal account, when you open up this right here, as long as you have your personal account signed in on your phone, then you'll have all of your business pages listed. Now, if your page is not listed here, there might be one of 2 things wrong. So either one, your Facebook business page, you signed into a different account on your computer. So I don't know if you have like 2 different partners on the business and one person made the Facebook business page on their Facebook account, and then you on your phone won't see it there unless they make you like an admin or something. Or 2, you're not signed into the same Facebook on your phone. So maybe you just don't have Facebook on your phone. Maybe you didn't sign in, but that would be the other reason it wouldn't show up here. So it almost always should show up there. If not, figure it out, right? So that's basically the first way to make or create it. Now, the second way we want to look at is actually from Facebook Business. So from the Facebook Business page, let's open that up. Okay, so if you guys remember Mike's Barbershop, a recent Facebook page I made. Now, from the Facebook page, what you want to do is go up to settings on the top right, click on settings, and it'll open up obviously all of your normal settings. And somewhere along the left side, you should see something that says Instagram. So click on Instagram. And this is a very easy way, honestly, probably even easier to connect this. You just say connect account and it'll automatically pop up. You can sign into your Instagram account here and it will be connected through to, so we're going to say continue as Schmeich O'Brien. And it should just automatically connect our Instagram to our Facebook page right here. So just like that, we have them connected. And like I said, once you have them connected, you have a lot of options here. You can edit some things in your Instagram page. Of course, you can disconnect it. And if you go over to notifications, you should be able to really bundle everything together here and get your messages from both of them, as well as your notifications from both of those. Guys, that's basically all I have to show you. Like I said, this is a fairly short video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope this helped you. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.